up, everybody? Welcome to the next episode of Big K's Kitchen. Not necessarily sponsored by. After all, it is Tuesday, the day after Monday. You know how I feel about that. You know how I feel. Definitely know how I feel about Mondays. So here's the you. Here's the dinner. Let's get this started. Today we're gonna do a little seafood, little grilled seafood, we'll say. And I think we're going to do some bacon wrapped scallops and some grilled shrimp. And as usual, I'm going to show you how we put this together. So let's get started. We got our scallops, we got our shrimp. The only thing we're missing is bacon. As it happens, I got 1.5 pounds of bacon right here. I'm going to show you how to put this together. I'll show you how to put it on the grill. I'm even going to show you how to eat it. It's that simple. So check this out. And finally, if you use my brand new Vertoku chef knives. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Let me show you how to put this together. First thing we're going to do, we're going to open up this here bacon. Careful not to slice my hand off. Right, now these scallops are kind of small, so we're not going to use a whole piece of this thick sliced bacon. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to cut these in half. Don't mind the stupid dog out back. He's just pissed off because he ain't getting any of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this in half. That's about it. Let's see, we got about 12 scallops, give or take. Now if at any time this video is boring, you can always fast forward to the money shot at the end. Or you can actually learn something and see how we do bacon wrapped scallops, Big K style. Neat candy. So let's get these bad boys wrapped up. Alright, scallop bacon. Scallop. Simply wrap the bacon around it. Just like that. Get a nice little tight little fold. Get your skewers and skewer the hell out of it. Just like that. There's one down. I guarantee you these are going to be super, super tasty. If you ever had bacon wrapped scallops, you know what I'm talking about. If not, sucks to be you. Okay, now that we've got all the scallops wrapped in bacon and on the skewer, we're going to move on to the shrimp. Yes, I said shrimp. We're going to do some firecracker shrimp along with these scallops. And basically all we're doing right now is taking these here extra large shrimp, and we're going to skewer the shit out of them, just like this. Very simple process, nothing magical to it. These are not fresh, these are frozen. I got these from Sam's Club. 1.5 pounds of scallops for about 25 bucks. Shrimp varies. Usually get the extra jumbo or cloth for right around 20 bucks, give or take. Now that is the fat skewer of shrimp. Okay, so now we got our bacon wrapped scallops and our shrimp on the skewers. The next step, obviously, is to light the grill. Okay, so we just got the chimney going, as you can see. And just a word of advice, never, ever, ever use petroleum products to start your charcoal, ever. That's just bad. I like to use these things here, called tumbleweeds, natural fire starters. Don't use lighter fluid, charcoal lighter fluid, gas, or anything like that. That's just silly. So, we'll check back here in a little bit after this chimney's ready to go, and we'll go from there. Okay, for the vegetable medley I'm going to put together, as I said, it's going to consist of some Hunt's garlic, diced tomatoes. We're going to do some sweet corn. Alright, we got some zucchini, some yellow zucchini, and an onion. We're going to dice this up, we're going to put it together, throw it in the pot, put a little seasoning on it, and it's going to make a killer side dish to go with this bacon wrapped scallops with the shrimp. I'm going to show you how to put this together. You cut the ends off. cut this bad boy in half. Just like that. Alright, now all we're going to do is a simple slice. By the way, so far, my new knives are working awesome. I have nothing bad to say about these knives yet. Alright, so we're going to throw that in the pot too. You know what? We're going to do all of it. Why not? We're going to do some zucchini. I think we're just going to leave this one whole and do some nice rounds with this one. Why not? And by the way, always wash your vegetables. Alright, now we're going to throw some onion in here. Alright, for this, we're just going to do some, we're not going to dice it, we're just going to cut it up into nice chunks like this. Throw that in there. Okay, well, as you can see by now, it's really freaking dark out. So, I think what we're going to do is I'm going to skip the grilling process. You ain't going to be able to see it anyway. I will do another video where I actually show the grilling of the food. And right now, this is what we got. All I've done is put a little seasoning on the scallops, which consists of some lemon pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of paprika. On the shrimp, all I did was a little bit of garlic powder again, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper. I'm going to throw those on the grill. I will show you the end product before I eat it all down. And what can I say? I need to shoot these videos on the weekend and not right when I get home from work. So I'll do a better job for you next time, but check back when this stuff's done. Said my friends, I will show you the finished product as it was done, and here it is. Meal fit for a maniac. Enjoy. For the taste test. Bacon wrapped scallop, a little sriracha. Can't get any better than that, man. That's some good eating right there. So until next time, stay metal. Subscribe to the Heavy Metal Network if you haven't already. I will see you soon.